In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image fit on Wix. This process is straightforward and can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your website. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to add the image you want to use. To do this, go to the Wix editor and look for the Add button on the left side of your screen. Once you've found that, click on Elements from the drop-down menu that appears. This will give you a variety of options to choose from, and for our purposes, we're going to select Image. Now that you've navigated to the Image section, you have a couple of options to get your desired image onto your project. You can either drag and drop the image if you already have it saved on your device, or you can upload it directly from your computer. The upload option is quite handy if you want to bring in fresh images that you haven't worked with yet. Simply find the image file on your computer and upload it to Wix. With the image now in place, the next step is to adjust it to fit your desired space perfectly. To do this, you'll notice small circles around the edges of your image. These are your resizing handles. Click and drag these circles to adjust the size of your image. Wix designs its platform to automatically crop and prevent any unwanted stretching, so you can resize your images without losing that crisp, clean look you're aiming for. For instance, if your image appears too small, or perhaps doesn't quite fit the way you'd like, simply stretch it to fill out the section appropriately. Wix's automatic cropping ensures that the image maintains its quality, so don't worry too much about the technicalities. Just drag those corners until the image sits just right. Once you've got the image fitting nicely, there might be instances where you still want to make some extra tweaks to optimize its look. Wix makes this part easy too. Simply click on the image once more and a menu will appear. From there, select Image Settings, which will provide you with more options. In this menu, look for the Adjust option. Here, you can fine-tune the image settings like brightness, contrast, or any other adjustments that will enhance your image and make it truly pop on your site. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to make an image fit on Wix. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that your images look professional and are perfectly integrated into your web design. Happy editing, and remember, a well-fitted image can make all the difference in creating a visually appealing web page.